Hello, good morning. This is Umesh Chandra. Now I'm connecting the command prompt to the MongoDB compass and I will run some queries in the command prompt shell. So let's get started. So this is my command prompt. Now I'm connecting to my MongoDB compass. We need to write mongo sh in the command prompt. So we need to test it, like we need to write show dbs semicolon. So here the databases are produced. So my database was Videographer and Match database. So I'm writing use Videographer and Match DB. So now it was switched to my Videographer Match database. Now I'm writing to show my collections. To show collections semicolon. So this is my collection name. Here it was written like Videographer Match. This is my collection name. So now let's count the number of documents that are there in my database. So in order to run the count query, we need to write db dot our database name, like the collection name. We need to write dot count. So there are 1,000 documents. There are 1,000 documents in my collection. So now I'm writing the limits and the pretty command for my database. So for that we need to write db dot our database name dot, we need to write find and then dot limit. I have 1,000 collections. Now I'm giving the limit of 5 dot pretty. This command is used to find, like, to read the data that was existed in the database. So this is the data that I have given in my database. So in order, I gave 5 limit here. So it produced like 5 outputs. If you give 500 or 1,000, it will produce the number of collections based upon it. Like I have 1,000 collections, so it will produce 1,000 outcomes if I give a limit of 1,000. So this is my data. Here it is my videographer ID, and this is the another column: organizing club, location, age category, grade, weather, duration, and number of people attended, and the venue name. And where it comes to the pitch facilities, these are like array. These are arrays. And media coverage, this is also an array. This is video length, and this is year recorded. And coming to the videographer, this is the videographer name, videographer county, specialism, and then annual kilometers, whether they travel by videographer. These are the columns that I have there in my data. So this is my data. Now let's get started. Like we need to I'm going to run an aggregate query in the command prompt. So let's get started with the query. Finding the sum of video length for matches played in 2023 grouped by venue name. So I am writing a query for the sum of video length, and that was the matches played in 2023, and also it need to be grouped by a venue name. So this is the query. This is the database. This is the db dot. This is my collection name. So I gave the collection, and this is the aggregation function. So while coming to the first stage, the stage filters documents to include only those where the field year equals 2023. The only documents that match these conditions are passed to the next stage of the pipeline. So I will run this query. So I will remove comma from here, and I will copy this one and I'm directly running this command prompt. So here the braces are open, so I will close these braces. Now these are the outputs that are there, like which was connected to the data, which was like in the data the year was 2023. These are all the conditions that was applied. So next come to the next query. So here I'm grouping the year, like in this stage the documents are grouped by venue name. For each in venue, it calculates the total sum of video length. That output contains one entry per venue. It shows the total video length recorded there in 2023. So for this, I will again add this comma for it, and I will remove comma here, and I will add flower square braces. Close this one. So now I will run this query in the command prompt. I'm directly copying it. So now it got filtered. So these are the things that was held in 2023, and this is the total video length. This is grouped by the event name. Are you okay? So this was grouped by the event name in the year 2023 with the total video length of 9, with the total video length. These are the collections that I got, like these are the documents that I have there in my collection, which was equals to the conditions that I gave. So now I'm using a sort technique. This stage, I will add this column. This stage sorts the grouped results in descending order. Based on this total video length, as a result, the venues are ordered from the one with the most recorded video length at least. So now I have added the comma here. So it was closed. So I can directly run this query without any modifications. Copy. Open your command prompt, just paste it up. See, these are the data that got filtered by using the given conditions. The total length was produced and it got the venue name. So this is how the aggregate functions will run. First you need to give your doc collections name and then aggregative function, and based upon the conditions you need to write. Like if I have another condition, I will just add here, like if it was not an grouped filters. Thank you.